lot of companies making drones. A lot of companies making Workera, Ehang, a lot of companies. To mention but a few, a lot of companies. But you see, one company stands out from every other company making drones, and that's DJI. Their drones, I would say, are one of the best. I flew the Phantom, I flew the Mavic, I flew the Mavic Mini. Their new release Avatar, everything is always great. But here are 5 reasons why DJI is actually the best selling drone company. Number 5, incomes are rising globally. Yes, things are becoming expensive, so it's expected for their own products also to become expensive, and it's also expected for them to also sell more because of how things are rising. So they have no fault in that. People are gaining more money every day, so they also have to gain more money every day. The second thing, or number 4, is the aspirational image they build. See, DJI have built this kind of image whereby their drones, the Mavic, follow a certain pattern. The Inspire follow a certain pattern. The Phantom follow a certain pattern. The Matrix follow a certain pattern. And even the newly introduced DJI Avatar that was released, I think, a year or 2 years ago, also follows a certain pattern. These patterns they are following, more like what separates them from other drone companies who don't have more like a good design. They are having good design, but if you look at compared to DJI design, the spec sheet of their designs, the build, everything about the DJI drones are actually built for comfort, for premium, and just for the best experience. That is what DJI drones are actually built for compared to other drone companies. Then check the compatibility. One of the reasons why I often talk about compatibility when I'm talking about gadgets is, can it connect with iPhone? Yes. If it can connect with iPhone, can it also connect with Android? If no, the compatibility is really bad. But if yes, you are good to go. So also with DJI, you can connect your controller to both iPhone and iOS. So what problem do you have? No, as long as you've downloaded the app, you've registered, you are good to go. You can just download, you can just get both like that easily. As long as I can connect to iPhone, connect to Android, then you can shift your files to your system and then edit using other softwares. As long as you can do that, and then there are the required software that they themselves they've recommended for you, everything is good to go, and I think it should be on a top-notch class. Then the second to the last point is their drones are actually also catching up quickly. Especially when you take a look at the DJI Avatar. You see, when DJI Avatar first of all came out, that was my very first video I made on YouTube. Please don't watch it. Yes, don't watch it. That was my very first video I made on YouTube about the DJI Avatar. One of the reasons why I liked the DJI Avatar was how it was built. It was built to be rugged. That was how the DJI Avatar was built. It was built to be rugged. That was one. 2, it was also built to more like give you this view of whereby you are the pilot. You are seeing what the drone is seeing with the DJI goggles and also the DJI handheld controller, which makes you feel like you're in a fighter jet. So this experience that they are giving you alone, just to get that satisfaction that okay, what the drone can see, I can see. Anyway, just to it, the camera is also rolling. You can get something that's rugged, something that's small enough that can even roll if it falls down on its back, which is really great. And then an extra accessory that when I hold, I feel like I'm in a fighter jet. What else is left? And then number 1 is loyalty. DJI actually loyal to their customers. When it's time for you to get your DJI authentication certificate, if you are a pilot, if you are in Nigeria here, though you really don't have to pay for most of the things, but actually they will actually fly in from wherever country they are coming from to come actually take you through it and then authenticate it, give you a certificate. This one is more like building a relationship between the company and you, their customer. It's really, really great, and it's something I think other companies should start adopting. Tell me in the comment section which is your favorite drone company, and I'll catch you guys in the very next one.